How much should you actually spend on a computer for video editing? Because some people are happy buying the cheaper options, but returning the more expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Geekom A5 Mini PC. The Geekom A5 2026 edition Mini PC immediately caught my eye with its compact design and solid specs, all for around $393.30. If you want a reliable machine for home office tasks and light video editing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor with a speed of up to 4.3 GHz, which means faster rendering times for your videos. The 16 GB RAM, which is upgradable to 64 GB, ensures you can run multiple editing software simultaneously without lag. Plus, it has a 512 GB NVMe SSD for speedy file transfers, crucial when you're dealing with large video files. It even supports up to 4 displays in stunning 8K resolution, so if you're crunching data or editing video, this setup makes multitasking almost seamless. Now, some people complained about the integrated graphics not being powerful enough for heavy-duty video editing. Here's the thing though, while it might struggle with 3D rendering or complex effects, for most standard editing tasks, it holds up pretty well. If you're more into basic cuts and color corrections, it's definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a freelancer or a student looking for a lightweight yet capable editing machine. Skip this one if you need something for high-end 3D rendering or gaming, but considering the price, it's great value for solid performance.
Product number 2, STG Aubron Gaming PC. The STG Aubron Gaming PC priced at $462.97. This one grabbed my attention because it promises not just gaming, but also powerful video editing capabilities. If you want a machine that can do it all, this is worth considering. The Intel Core i7 processor can boost up to 3.9 GHz, and paired with 16 GB RAM, it provides smooth performance when editing 4K footage. The dedicated AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics card means you can handle more demanding tasks like color grading and rendering with ease. It also features a 512 GB SSD for quick file access, which is vital when you're constantly importing and exporting video files. Plus, it has RGB fans for some flair while you work. However, some users mention that the RGB lighting can be a bit distracting. Honestly, if you're focused on video editing, that might not be an issue for you, but it's something to keep in mind if you prefer a more subdued workspace. This is great for you if you enjoy gaming alongside your editing tasks. Skip this one if you are looking for a super silent machine or if RGB lights are not your style. Overall, it's a solid option for the price.
Product number 3, Getorlee Mini PC, which comes in at $649.98. What caught my attention is its powerful specifications crammed into such a small form factor. If you want compact power for video editing, this is definitely worth a look. The AMD Ryzen 7 processor can boost up to 4.9 GHz, and with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, it handles multitasking like a champ. You also get a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD for rapid file transfers, which is crucial when working with large video projects. Plus, it supports up to 4 displays, making it perfect for a multi-monitor editing setup. The dual 2.5G LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6 mean you won't struggle with connectivity, which is a bonus when you're uploading large files. That said, some users pointed out that it runs a bit hot under heavy loads. I'll be real with you, if you're planning long editing sessions, you might want to invest in a cooling pod. But for most users, it's not a deal breaker, especially given the performance you're getting. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful but compact machine for video editing. Skip this if you're looking for something budget-friendly, but the performance justifies the price.
Product number 4, STG Aubron i7 Gaming PC. Let's check out another STG Aubron model, this one priced at $522.49. Its specs are almost identical to the previous STG Aubron, but with a larger 1TB SSD, which makes it a solid choice for video editing. If you want a reliable PC for both gaming and editing, this is worth a consideration. This system also boasts an Intel Core i7 with speeds up to 3.9 GHz and 16 GB RAM, so you can easily handle multiple editing software. With the Radeon RX 580 graphics, you'll find rendering times fairly quick, especially for simpler projects. The 1TB SSD is a major plus, giving you more storage for your video files without the need for external drives, which can clutter your workspace. However, some users have reported that the cooling fans can be quite noisy during intensive tasks. Here's the thing, If you're editing in a quiet environment, that might be a deal breaker. But if you're used to some background noise, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance between gaming and video editing. Skip this if you need a completely silent machine, but for the price and specs, you really can't go wrong.
Product number 5, GM Tech K15 Mini PC. We have the GM Tech K15 AI Mini PC, retailing at $699.97. This one stood out due to its advanced features aimed at content creators. If you need power and performance, this might be the right choice for you. With the Intel Core Ultra 5 processor running up to 4.3 GHz and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, it's built for serious multitasking. The 512 GB SSD is paired with 3 M.2 slots for expansion, which means you can scale storage as your projects grow. It supports quad-screen displays, which is a game changer for video editing, allowing you to have your timeline, preview, and tools all visible at once. However, some users have expressed concerns about the size being a bit larger than expected. Honestly, if you're looking for something portable, this might not be it. But for a stationary workstation, the performance you get is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're a serious content creator needing high performance. Skip this if you require something ultra compact, but for robust editing capabilities, this is a strong contender.
Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option like the Geekcom A5 or a powerful machine like the GMK Tech K15, there's something on this list for everyone. If gaming and editing are important, the STG Opron models offer a nice balance. For compact power, the Getterly Mini PC is a great choice too. Make sure to pick one that best fits your specific editing needs.